Do.
We gotta get some more miracle water.
Yes, we gotta get more miracle water.
Miracle.
Give me some of that high beer. This is high quality.
I think you should start recording again.
Duh. What do you think I'm doing? Yes.
Hey guys.
Give me some of that miracle water.
That's more that miracle water.
Just pull the thing.
No. I stay for a long time. Cause no.
Pull the thing.
No. Holy crap, Mama.
Oh my gosh, everything you gotta do every day yourself nowadays.
Mom, look at this. Look at this. Mom, look at this. We got spiders. But I can't find spiders.
Yeah, I'm his mom.
I
Oh,
can't
good
find
job,
spiders.
sweetie.
I can't find spiders. But
Hey, we gotta pick that up, and that up. Can you do it? Are you the luckiest person on earth?
No. I'm very unlucky.
Yeah, so am I, so.
Holy crap! The aliens!
Hurry, we need to get out of here, man. Aliens are coming to kill us. Oh, crap. God. Oh my goodness, my head delay reaction. Okay, I gotta switch hands. Because I need this one to dry. Okay.